Reflexive pronouns. The words myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves are called reflexive pronouns. Let's use them in sentences. I made this cake myself. Do it yourself. Michael is looking at himself in the mirror. Susan has controlled herself. Our cat washes itself after each meal. We organize the party all by ourselves. Come in, children, and find yourselves a seat. Baby birds are too young to look after themselves. Singular and plural forms for the reflexive pronouns. When we are talking about ourselves, which is the first person, I, me, say myself. In the plural, we, us, ourselves. The second person is when we are talking to someone, they are the second person. Say, you, yourself. Or in the plural, you, yourselves. In the third person, that is when we are talking to another person about a third person, for he, him, himself, she, her, herself, it, itself. And the plural form, the pronouns they, them, themselves. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronouns from the box. Yourselves, himself, themselves, yourself, itself, ourselves, myself, and herself. No one can help us. We have to help ourselves. Jane always makes the bed by herself. They painted the wall all by themselves. I heard in the playground yesterday. Myself. John, you must behave before your friends. Yourself. Children, you must do the homework. Yourselves. Tom defended against the bullies. Himself. The dog is scratching itself. Interrogative pronouns. The words who, whom, whose, what, and which are called interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Who? Who is he talking to? Who are those people? Whom? Whom are you playing with? Whom is he talking to? Which? Which of these bags is yours? Which do you prefer? Whose? Whose is this umbrella? Whose are these gloves? What? What is your dog's name? What are you talking about? What is the time? Write the correct interrogative pronouns in the blanks to complete the sentences. Here are the answers. What is the matter with you? Who invented the computer? Which of the twins is older? Who do you wish to speak to? Or whom do you wish to speak to? Whose is this car in front of our house? Who knows the answer? What came first, the chicken or the egg? What would you like to drink? Which of them do you think will win the race? What is the word for a stamp collector? Demonstrative pronouns. The words this, these, that, and those are called demonstrative pronouns. They are showing words. Demonstrative pronouns can be singular or plural. This, these, that, those. This is my pen. That is my friend's pen. These are my pens. Those are his pens. We use this and that when we are talking about only one person or object. We use these and those when we are talking about more than one persons or objects. Use this and these when you point to things near you. This is my house. This is a hill. These are donkeys. What is this? Did you drop this? Hi Jane, this is Michael. Use that and those when you point to things farther away. That is John's house. That is a mountain. Those are horses. What are those? We can do better than that. No, that's not mine. You mean you won? That's amazing. Hello? Who is that speaking, please? Hello? Is that you, George? Now fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronoun. The answer is, this is a sheep. That is a goat. Fill in the correct plural demonstrative pronouns in the following blanks. These are sheep. Those are goats. Remember that we use this and these for things that are near us and that or those for things that are farther away.